Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we will present our group project. The case study is our group required to propose Dahlia College Network project who want to set up the LAN in the seminar room. We require to set up one LAN with 10 hosts of PC and 20 hosts of laptop. All the hosts will connect to one switch. We need one router which is connect to one LAN. The network topology we choose for this LAN is star topology. Why we choose star? Because it is simplicity. The topology is easy to understand, establish and navigate. Next, we choose star topology because if any cable is not working, then the whole network will not be affected. In star topology, if there is a problem with the cable or not, it will generally not affect the rest of the network. Then, we choose star topology because it can easily add new computer or remove the computer. If you want to add the new computer, you just need to connect the new computer to the switch. And lastly, we choose star topology because it's easy to troubleshoot. In star topology, if the whole network is not working, there has something problem with the switch, so it is easy to troubleshoot. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. Okay, for my part, I'll be showing our LAN design using a packet tracer. Okay, so this is our design. So we have to use two switch because there is no, in this packet tracer I cannot find any option for 48 ports in one switch. Okay, for our laptop we use this module for a LAN connection. And also our PC use this module. They also provide both wireless and LAN access. But for our project, we'll be designing using a LAN. So we'll be using a LAN. And this is our connection. We use a copper cable. All 30 will be connected to the switch, and this is our server that is also connected to the switch. And both switch will be connected using Ethernet connection to the router. You can see here, and this green light, and also this shows that the connection is okay and working fine. So that's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rosizati binti Rosli, and today I will present about cost of material. So we are using 4 material for this project, which are switch, router, server and connection. For switch, we use the model Cisco Catalyst 2960, which have 24 ports. We bought 2 quantity of this switch, which each switch cost about Rm299 ringgit. So the total price for switch is 598 ringgit. Next is router. The router we use is from the model Robustel model router cellular Ethernet WLAN, which has connection. Then we bought 1 quantity of it, which costs 1,681 ringgit and 9 cents. Next is server. We use the Dell PowerEdge T30 Tower server, of model of server. We bought one of server which cost 2,759 ringgit. And the last is we use for connection, we use just at core copper wire flexible Ethernet WLAN network patch LED cable grey RJ45 Cat5 cord wire 2 meter. We bought 33 of copper wire which cost 5 ringgit and 60 cent each. And the total price for the connection wire we use is 170 ringgit 28 cents. So the total cost of material we have used for switch, router, server and connection when we added 598 ringgit, 1,681 ringgit and 9 cents, 2,759 ringgit and 170 ringgit 28 cents is 5,208 ringgit and 37 cents. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Swan Nurul Adlina, 21 Salihuddin. Now I would like to give more explanation about cable. The cable wire that we use is copper. So, there are many advantages of using this type of cable. First of all, it is conductivity and heat resistant. Copper wire are second only to silver when it comes to electrical conductivity. Compared with other non-precious metals, copper wire can handle a wider load of electrical power, allowing it to use less insulation and armoring. They have high resistance to heat, eliminating most issues of overloading. Copper wires are also resistant to corrosion. Although patina, a tarnish produced by oxidation, might be present, the material will not lose functionality. Second, about the cost. The price of copper wire is lower than other type of wire. The third is easy to be connect. This means you can connect wire with different length together. Even if a break happens during usage, we can make them connect without difficulty, which will save our time and money in some degree. Last but not least, malleability and ductility. Copper has a high ductility, allowing wires thinner than human hair strands. Malleability allows it to be bent into nearly any form without the threat of breaking. Copper is used to create thick electrical cable wires within electrical posts and in applications where very thin wires are needed, such as in handphone wires. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adia Fakihah Naidi binti Muhammad Rusi and I will present to you about the disadvantages of cable. First is corrosion. One of the most serious disadvantages of copper wire is its susceptibility to corrosion, that is oxidation. It has a shorter life expectancy than fiber optic cable as a result of this. Therefore, the problem of copper storage is related to its chance to be oxidized at relatively normal temperature. Second is shock hazard. Fiber optic cable has a lower shock hazard than copper wire. Copper is susceptible to a great degree of electrical interference, leading to a less clear signal than fiber optic. Copper wire, in short, is more dangerous than fiber optic cable. Third is bonding. Copper is being rejected by the semiconductor industry as being unreliable as a bonding agent. In a recent study conducted by SEMI, the main research arm of the semiconductor industry was responded in the field held that copper wire as a bonding agent was unreliable, unproven and inefficient. Further, many in the field held in the survey that they thought copper was unsuited for many complex wiring projects. That's all, thank you.